Okay, so this is really where I could use like kind of a video to where you can look at the book and then split off to where you can look at my screen. I've got to figure out how to merge all this and do it easily. But anyways, in the book, the what is it? ASP.NET 4 Web Programming, 4th edition by Anne Boehm and Jewel Morak. It's on page 643. They're talking about how to authenticate and authorize users, and one of their snippets of information says, let me see, to write, it's talking about passwords and how to change passwords. One of the statements says, this figure, they're talking about figure 19.8, also shows how you can modify the attributes of a data provider to change the way the data provider behaves. It shows you how you can relax the strict password requirements for an application. To do that, you can copy the membership elements from the machine.config file, which applies to all web applications, to the web.config file. And I was having a difficult time trying to figure out where the web.config or the machine.config file, because like, well, it's not in my anywhere in my website folder, so where is it? So I looked it up online. Oh, where is it? I found it on, I think it was this, oh, there it is. This website, it kind of said that, well, it basically told me, it's not exactly where it was, but it basically told me that I would not be able to find it anywhere simple or where I would think I would be able to find it. So I went to my computer, just did a search on machine.config, because, I mean, I guess I could copy it from the book. I have the code directly in the book, but I wanted to find this machine.config file to find out what it looks like and what all it has in it. So found out where the machine.config file is, got its location, then I went to that directory, and here's the machine.config file, double clicked on it, and it opened up, and so I could simply search on find ASP.NET, and the case doesn't really matter. So ASP.NET, there's the first instance of it, and here's ASP.NET SQL membership provider. This is the bit of code that I was hoping to find. So all you have to do is, and if you can see, this has all of the information on or rules and restrictions and requirements for creating a password. The minimum required password length has to be 7. The minimum required non-alphanumeric character 1, and so you can change these if you want to have more than one alphanumeric. You can even make it more complex if you want to, or less complex. It just depends. So if you want to set this specific to your website, if you want to change this bit of data specific to your website, then you just copy this, go to your website, and paste it. I don't know if it's pasted before within the system. I guess I'll do it like that. And then your website will then take on any of these password requirements that you change. So I just wanted to show you that. Kind of basically just wanted to show you actually where that machine.config file was, so you don't have to waste your time searching for that. I think that's about it, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.